Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm eating pudding. So let's eat pudding now. Let's go eat pudding. Pudding. Guys, pudding is my favorite. Pudding is my favorite. Pudding is my favorite snack. Good. Guys, if you watch the part two and part one of my unboxing video, you know what is this. Let's eat the last pudding, guys. My shirt's blue. I'm wearing the same shirt. For guys. If you seen the part 2 and part 1 of my unboxing video, you know what shirt. You know I wear this shirt. Yeah, guys, I did not take a bath. Oh. Yummy pudding. Pudding is my favorite. Oh. Ah. Ah. I'm gonna open one of these eggs tomorrow. So there's going to be a third. So there's going to be So there's going to be a part 3 unboxing video. Done with my delicious snack. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, bye. See you in the next video.